Hello everyone, myself Rohit Rawat from the Data and AI team. Today I will be demonstrate the logistic performance dashboard developed in the Power BI. The objective of this dashboard is to provide a centralized view of shipment performance, delivery efficiency, delays and returns so that the management can monitor operations in real time and take faster operational decisions. Previously, on the tracking, this information required multiple operational reports. With this dashboard, all the key logistic KPIs are available on a single screen and automatically updated. On the left side, we have some major key operational indicators like total shipment, active shipment, delivered shipment, return shipment, average delivery time, efficiency score. So, average delivery time and efficiency score are particularly important for operational planning. A lower delivery time with higher efficiency score a well optimized logistic network. The on time delivery percent reflects service reliability and directly impact customer experience. Now in the middle section, now this section shows yearly wise delivered and transit shipment, shipment by package type, how much delay rate is the trend by the years, and what is the delay reason that the shipment has been get delayed, such as traffic, weather, route issue, vehicle vehicle breakdown. And on the right side, we have three main things like shipment by the road, shipment by air, and shipment by the road express, in which we have shown on time delivery percent, delay rate percent, in transit percent, efficiency score, return rate, cancel rate percent. If I go to the want to see shipment by air, by clicking on this we can go into the shipment by air. In conclusion, this dashboard enable real-time monitoring of logistic performance, improve visibility into delivery performance, and help management quickly identify operational issue and improvement area. By using this solution, the organization can reduce delay, improve delivery efficiency, and enhance customer satisfaction. Thank you for watching.